Muscles and fascia in relation to the pelvic organs. Pelvic floor, pelvic diaphragm. Definition: muscular partition separating the pelvic cavity from the anatomical perineum. Components: 3 sets of muscles on either side. Pubococcyges, iliococcyges, ischiococcygis, collectively called levator ani. Covered by pelvic fascia. Gaps: hiatus urogenitalis, pierced by urethra and vagina. Hiatus rectalis, transmits the rectum. Attachments: origin, pubic rami, obturator internus fascia, white line, inner surface of the ischial spine. Insertion, vagina, perineal body, anoxygeal raphe, coccyx, and sacrum. Relations of pelvic floor. Superior surface. 1. Pelvic organs, bladder, vagina, uterus, rectum. 2. Pelvic cellular tissue. 3. Ureter, uterine artery, above, vaginal artery, below. 4. Pelvic nerves. Inferior surface, related to anatomical perineum. Nerve supply. 4th sacral nerve, inferior rectal nerve, perineal branch of the pudendal nerve. Functions. 1. Supports pelvic organs, pubovaginalis supports vagina, bladder, and uterus. 2. Maintains intra-abdominal pressure. 3. Aids in anterior internal rotation of fetal head during parturition. 4. Puberectalis assists the external anal sphincter. 5. Ischiococcygis stabilize sacroiliac and sacrococcygeal joints. 6. Steadies the perineal body. Pelvic floor during pregnancy and parturition. Changes during pregnancy: hypertrophy, increased distensibility, water retention, sagging. Parturition: relaxation of pubovaginalis and puberectalis to allow fetal passage. Perineum. Anatomical perineum. Boundaries. Above, inferior surface of the pelvic floor. Below, skin between buttocks and thighs. Lateral, ischiopubic rami, ischial tuberosities, sacrotuberous ligaments. Posterior, coccyx. Divisions. 1. Urogenital triangle. Pierced by vagina and urethra. Contains superficial and deep perineal pouches. 2. Anal triangle. Contains anal canal, sphincter ani externus, and ischiorectal fossa. Obstetrical perineum. Definition: pyramidal tissue where pelvic floor and perineal muscles fascia meet, between vagina and anal canal. Structures involved. Fasciae, calls fascia, layers of urogenital diaphragm. Muscles: superficial and deep transverse perineae, bulbospongiosus, levator ani, pubococcyges, sphincter ani externus. Functions. 1. Supports levator ani. 2. Indirectly supports bladder, uterus, anterior vaginal wall. 3. Vulnerable to injury during childbirth, episiotomy site. Pelvic fascia. Types. 1. Fascia on pelvic wall. Tough, covers obturator internus and piriformis. Nerves external, vessels internal to the fascia. 2. Fascia on pelvic floor. Loose, parietal layer covers levator ani. 3. Fascia on pelvic viscera. Loose areolar tissue, allows organ distension.